Hello children. Our today's topic is the 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock system. We have all seen clocks like this. You must have seen in the schools, you must have seen them in your houses and many other places. This clock is the 12-hour clock. The 12-hour clock is a way of dividing the 24 hours of the day into two sections. The two halves are called ante-meridiem or the AM and post-meridiem or the PM. Time from midnight to noon is AM and from noon to midnight is PM. So from 12 midnight to 12 noon. After 12 midnight, the new day starts. So up to 12 noon, it is AM. Just after 12 noon, up to 12 midnight, it becomes PM. As you can see in a 12-hour clock, the time repeats itself. For example, 1 AM, 1 PM. So each number comes twice. 2 AM, 2 PM. So for every number you will find it in AM and PM. This is the 24-hour clock. It is the way of telling the time in which the days runs from midnight to midnight and is divided into 24 hours and numbered from 0 to 24. Can you see? Starts with 1 to 24. Midnight is called 2400 hours and is used to mean the end of the day, and 00 hours is used to mean the beginning of the day. Let us see this timetable. This is a railway timetable. Look at these times here. These are all in 24-hour clock system. Can you see here? This is 15:55 hours, 16:37 hours, 17:30 hours. All these are in 24-hour time system. This is the departure timetable of an airport. Here also you will see it follows the 24-hour timetable, the 24-hour clock system. 24-hour clock time is used in computers, military, public safety, and transport systems. Now, how do you convert 12-hour system to 24-hour system? As we all know that in 12-hour system, the clock is divided, the whole day is divided into two parts of 12 hours. For example, the time is in 12-hour system 6 AM. In 24-hour system, it will be 600 hours. (10 AM), it will be 1000 hours. Like this, we will move on to 12 noon, where it will become 1200 hours. Here you can pay attention that up to here it is still AM. As soon as the time becomes 12:01 PM, it will become 12:01 hours. Here you have to pay attention. Just as it crossed 12 noon, we get PM as the time, whereas in 24-hour system, hours continue. Now let us move on to the next 1 PM. As we have said that the time repeats in 12-hour system, so we had got 1 AM earlier, now it is 1 PM, but in 24-hour system it will be 1300 hours. It is very easy. Whenever you see PM, you just add plus 12 to this number, so it becomes 13. Let us take another example. 7:30 AM and 7:30 PM. Both we have to convert to 24-hour system. The first thing that we will see is whether it is AM or PM. In this case, it is AM, so we have to do nothing. We have to just write 7:30 hours. But when it comes to PM, we have to add 12 hours to this hour time. So it becomes 19:30. So that's why in 24-hour system, it will be 19:30 hours. Now the vice versa, from 24-hour system to 12-hour system. As we have told you, it starts with 00 hours. So it will start from 12 midnight. So 12 midnight will be 12 AM. So after 001 hours, it will become 0001 hours. Like this, it will continue. For example, so when you see 00 here, that means it will be here 12. Like that, 100 hours, that is 100 hours, it will be 1 AM. 200 hours, it will be 2 AM. 300 hours will be 3 AM. 415 hours, it will be 4:15 AM. Like this, it will continue. When it comes to 12 noon, this is 24 hour, so it will be 1200 hours. Let us write it 24 and 12 here, 24 hour and 12 hour. So when in 24 hour it is 1200 hours, it becomes 12 noon. So like this, the time will continue, 12:01 hours, so it will be 1 minute past 12, that will be PM, because it is after noon. Like this, it will continue. When it comes to 1300 hours, here it will be 1 PM. In this case, what you have done, you have subtracted 12. 1. Suppose it is 1800 hours. How will you convert? You just subtract 12. So it becomes 6. So it will be 6 PM. hope it is clear to you. One more thing you can do is you can just count. For example, from 12, you can just count. 13 means 1, 14 means 2, 15 means 3. Like that you can count also. But you should remember, whenever it comes 13, it will be always PM. After this 12, if it is 12:01, then it will be 12:01 PM. So you have to always keep that in mind. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing, and in case of any doubt, do contact me. Thank you and take care.